This is a 500 piece maximum mechanics tool set. It's on sale 50% off for $5.99 from Canadian Tire. This is what comes in the kit. These are the descriptions of all the quarter drive stuff, all the 3/8 drive stuff, and all the half drive stuff. This is the part number. Inside this box is these 3 solar boxes. You have these SAE ignition wrench set, small sizes. Then you have a metric set, small sizes. Some ratcheting standard and metric, stubby wrenches. All the sizes are on the box. And some ratcheting swivel head sizes, or wrenches. This is an accessory. You have a small breaker bar, a lot of extensions, and some swivel bits. And another bag of more ratcheting wrenches. Some quarter drive sockets. And some quarter drive 12-point sockets, long ones. Box number 2. A lot more sockets. Half-inch drive, inch 3/8 drive, Allen key, and torque bits. Quarter-inch drive, 6-point deep sockets. Three drive 6-point sockets. Some spark plug sockets. Three drive deep sockets. A lot of screwdriver bit sockets. Bits for your screwdriver. Some nut driver bits. Some smaller Allen key and Torx bits. Quarter drive stuff. This box has Allen key sets. And a bag of ratchets. 90 tooth. You got 1/2 inch drive. A regular 3/8 drive. A long 3/8 drive flex head. A 1/4 drive. And a long 1/4 drive flex head. And the third box. Saw so far. More sockets. The sockets don't miss any sizes. Half-inch 6-point deep metric. Up to 24 mil, I think. Half-inch drive 6-point standard. Up to 24. No, up to 27. Okay. Three drive deep socket metric. 3/8 drive deep sockets standard. Half-inch drive 6-point SAE. Inch and A. Half-inch drive 12-point standard. Inch and 3/16. And 32 12-point, 27 12-point, inch and 1/4 12-point. A lot of big sockets to 12-point. .3/8 drive deep SAE. One in. Some 1/4 drive sockets, 12-point. And last bag, some 3/8 drive standard. And here's the pile of tools. It says here the sockets go from 12-point goes from 1 inch to 1 1/4 inches, and 25 to 32. And you have 27 6-point and 23 6-point deep sockets. Deep sockets go from 7/16 up to 24, and the regular ones go from 3/8 to 27. 7/16 to 1 inch deep, and 3/8 to 1 1/8 inch. The only one thing is no trays or organizers come with it, so you would have to have that. There's there. Lifetime warranty. And that's it.